Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 3 of HolidAMY. So as the title says, today's video is going to be a Christmas home haul, a holiday home haul. That rolls off the tongue better. So this is a collective haul. There is stuff from Anthropologie, Target, Michael's, I have some Disney stuff, and I went to Home Goods. So it's a big collective haul. And I'm so excited to be working with Rakuten on this video. Rakuten is formerly Ebates. They had a brand name change, so it's the same thing. So if you had an Ebates account, it's the same login for your Rakuten account. I am a huge fan of Rakuten. I have been using them for a couple years now, and I will say my lifetime cashback has been over $1,000, and it's just from online shopping that I would be doing anyway. So if you don't know what Rakuten is, it's basically a button that you plug into your browser. Also, I apologize because the sun is going in and out, so if we're having lighting changes, that's what's up. It's a button that you plug into your browser, and when you go to most of your favorite websites, they partner with over 2,500 websites, so like all my favorite websites are on there. Ulta, Sephora, Target, Macy's, like pretty much every single website I shop from, I can get cash back. So when you're shopping, you click up in the corner to activate, it automatically activates, and then the next day it takes a percentage of what you spent and it puts it in your Rakuten account, which pays you out seasonally, so 4 times a year. I just got mine last month. It was $130, just here you go. And I should have mentioned first, it's completely free to use. So it was incredible during Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And even today as I'm filming this, I was on the Sephora website, as one does, and it was 12% cash back, which is wild. I consider it good if it's over 5% cash back. 12%, that's amazing. And if you sign up with my link down below, you will get a $10 welcome bonus. So it's really a win-win situation. You're literally just leaving money on the table if you don't do it. There's no catch, nothing. It's so easy, it's so great, and I love them and I am beaming with excitement. But yeah, I love working with brands that I actually love and use, and Rakuten is one of them every time I online shop, which a lot of people are online shoppers, so I would highly recommend downloading it for your Christmas shopping. The fridge is wild. And definitely make sure you download it before all of those after Christmas sales, because the cashback percentage tends to go up. So it's just good to use at all points in life. So I will have some of the stores, as of today, what their cashback is right now listed down below. And yeah, just sign up with the link. You'll get the $10 welcome bonus, and it's truly incredible. So yes. And so let's get into the things I bought. Let's start with ornaments, just because I don't know. So I went to Target. They had a lot of great ornaments this year, and Bradley was kind of trying to get me out of the Target Christmas section, and I'm like, babe, it can't be done. Just move on, I'll find you. And I think all 3 of these ornaments I bought were $3 each, which is nothing. So the first one I got is kind of this vintage looking snowman. He's holding a candy cane, and I love when candy canes are pink and red. I just think it's so cute and festive. She's wearing a little scarf. I've decided it's a girl. I don't know why. Would a girl wear a top hat? Why not? It's 2020. It's not 2020, it's 2019. We're almost at 2020. The sides have red glitter all over it. The back is just plain red, but I just thought it was so cute. And they had a couple different vintage looking ornaments that are flat wood like this. They had a Santa. I think they had some different snowmen. So it was just in the little ornament section in Target's Christmas section. So yeah, I got that. This one is one of my, I love this. I love all the ornaments I got though. I was gonna say it's one of my favorites, but I don't know if I have a favorite. And I kind of wanted to buy a ton of these, but I was like, just buy one for now. But they did have a few different colors. I got the teal one just because I thought it was a fun, bright green. It's super sparkly. It's just one of those really sharp bursting stars. And I just think it's so pretty. And I have mine on my tree, but I used to do it in my old apartment, and I did it in this apartment as well, kind of above our sink, in which you've seen it in past home decor tours, and I will be doing a Christmas decor tour, so you'll see everything I'm talking about today in action. But above our sink, I put little command hooks. There's 4 of them evenly spaced out, and I have different ornaments that I hang, but they're super glittery ornaments that just dangle down, and I think that's a fun way to use ornaments as well. If you just have any random, on a doorway would be fun, or just something festive like that, you know? So bigger ornaments like this could be used for more than just the tree, but I do have this on our tree, in which we also did a decorate the tree with us. That went up the last HolidAMY video, day 2. So I will link that up in the corner if you missed it. You can decorate the tree with us. See me yell at Bradley for putting the decorations in the wrong spots. And then the last ornament from Target is this cute little mushroom girl. I am so obsessed. They had a bunch of different colors of these. I liked her because she had pretty eyelashes, and I just liked the colors again, green and blue. But her face is like a little wooden ball, and then she's made of felt. She's a big mushroom top. I love mushrooms because they remind me of Alice in Wonderland and Mario and, well, Nintendo, you know what I mean. And she's just super cute, so I had to have her. She has some glitter all over her as well. I just thought it was so cute. And then I got 2 Disney ornaments, which technically I got 4 Disney ornaments, but I hauled the other 2 in my Disney World haul, which I will link up in the corner if you're interested in seeing that. There's some Christmassy related stuff in there as well. But then I went to Disneyland and I had to have both of these, so I got both of these. So the first one is this Mickey Peppermint, which it's kind of the theme of their Christmas stuff this year is peppermint and gingerbreads. Gingerbread men, whatever. If you watch that haul, or if you do, you'll see that I got the peppermint ears and the gingerbread Minnie and Mickey ears. And so they're kind of like in the same vein as that. But so this one is just like a flat Mickey peppermint, which I think is so cute. I love a peppermint swirl. It's like one of my favorite designs during Christmas time. And the white has like white and silver glitter all throughout it. And it's just so cute. And I love that it's on a green string. I'm having deja vu right now. Okay, it's gone. So yeah, I picked that up, and then I also picked up the little Mickey gingerbread man, which is so cute. He's just brown gingerbread with little gumdrops and a red string, and he has glitter on him as well, and I just love it. And I like how like flat they are, and they're like sturdy, and they don't like turn a lot on the tree. They stay where you put them, so I really enjoy those. And that is it for the ornaments. Let's finish up the Disney stuff because I just had one more Disney purchase. And it's a pillow, and I love it. And like I said, that peppermint theme is kind of their theme this year. They did also have a gingerbread Mickey pillow, which honestly, I could see myself buying next time I go. Not gonna lie. I bought the Mickey Halloween ghost pillow, and we had it in our pink chair in our office, and I was obsessed with it. And then they came out with this. I just love like cushions. Like they're so fun. I love holiday ones because, you know, you don't have to deal with them all year round. You just put them out, you enjoy them for the month or 2, and then you put them away. It's just so cute. And again, I love a peppermint swirl. I love the colors. And this is actually scented. It smells like peppermint. It's not very strong, but it does. And if you do buy one, they told me that the scent is strongest right in the center. So yeah, I just thought that was fun. And again, I'm going to put this on that pink chair in our office. I think the red and white and pink will look good. I have one thing from Michael's, which I'll just share really quick. It's really weird, which is why I was like, I have to have that. So it's this, it's so odd. It's this kind of like picture frame wooden box thing, and it just says, "Have a jolly holiday." It has this really weird reindeer lady on it, and then it has some string lights. And I don't know. I think it's so weird, but I think it's so cute. I think it looks like it came from ModCloth or something, or Anthropology, and that's why I liked it. And I was just like staring at it, and I'm like, future Amy is gonna be really upset if I don't buy this. So I did. And Michael's always has crazy deals. Like it was only like $7, but then it was already like 40% off, so I got it for practically nothing. And I think it would be nice for on a shelf. We have a lot of shelves in our apartment now, which we didn't have last year. And also over Black Friday, I ordered another shelf from Anthropology that I'm obsessed with. That was such a good deal, and I can't wait. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it like right back there. I don't know why I'm telling you this, but I am. But so I've been enjoying like decorating shelves, but I do find that I kind of want something flatter in the back that's like a little bit, I don't know, you can decorate things in front of it, or just small like little air plants or something. And then just this like in the background, and it was nice and colorful, and I just thought it was cute, so I picked that up. And then, oh, just randomly from HomeGoods, let me take this out of the case. What did I tell ya? I love a peppermint swirl thing. So this is just like a pillar candle, and I have a green, almost like jadeite looking candle. I think it's a cupcake stand, but I use it to put candles on, and I just thought the contrast of the green and the peppermint would look pretty. And I'll probably never burn this, or maybe I will burn it just like a little bit to get it nice and used looking. But I just thought that was so cute, so I picked that up at HomeGoods for like $6. Then let's do Anthropology. So you will have seen a couple of these in my, I did like a what I got for my birthday haul, which I can link up in the corner. Was in Anthropology in October, like shopping, and they had some of their Christmas stuff coming out, and I saw these glasses and I loved them. And so I kind of just told my family, like to whoever I sent a picture, I was like, hey, if anybody, you know, needs a gift for me for my birthday, I would love these 2 glasses from Anthropologie. And I believe it was these 2, which my sister ended up getting me. And they were like $12 a piece, which I think is like a great price point for a gift. I get that's a little steep for a glass, but like to give a nice gift, that would be really nice. These might be in my gift guide. Spoiler alert. Anthropologie and Rifle Paper Company collaborated on an amazing Christmas like collection that is being sold at Anthropologie, and there's so much. So I got all 4 glasses and the dish towel, so I'm gonna show you them, and they're based off of the Nutcracker the ballet, which is like the best. So, and when Katie got me these 2, she was like, you should really go back and get the other 2 because they're really cute. And so yeah, so we're gonna use these all month and I'm excited about it. They are pretty like delicate and almost kind of maybe like decals are hand painted, so I would definitely hand dry them or hand wash them. Yeah, it says hand wash only, not microwave safe. So they are very delicate, so they're just perfect for like the Christmas table or something. But this one has ballerinas and peppermints and candy canes all over it, and I love the gold trim at the top, and I just love the like ridges of the glass itself. This one has the Rat King, the Mouse King, whatever the frick he's called. I remember like being younger, I was never in a production of the Nutcracker. When I used to dance, I was more into hip hop. I took ballet and all that, but I was never like very serious about ballet, but I had friends that were. And I remember that getting the Mouse King or the Rat King was the part to get, besides Clara, of course. So he's pretty badass, and it has candy canes as well, which I thought was cute. And then the other 2, this one has some candy cane and gingerbreads on it as well as toy soldiers and nutcrackers and a ribbon at the top. They're just so cute. And then this one has trees and angels all over it, and the trees are kind of filled with all the characters you've already seen. It has Clara in her ballet shoes, the Nutcracker, and the Mouse Rat King. I don't know. I want to say it's Rat King, but that sounds so dirty, so I don't know. I love these and I wanted to mention them. They have so many things. They have measuring cups. They have a really beautiful teapot that me and Bradley are still on the fence about getting. Even Bradley was like, I really like that. And I was like, I know. They have so much. Oh, and they have this dish towel, which is so beautiful. I love having a decorative festive dish towel for the kitchen. And this one will be cute no matter which way you turn it, which I also love. Again, the Rat King. We have Clara, a Nutcracker, a wooden soldier, a little Santa. I'm busy. Some candy canes, and then these really beautiful just like leaves all over it. So I'm super excited to put that on the stove. I think it's so cute. So that was it from Anthropologie. Now moving into Target, which I am slightly saving my favorite thing for last, but okay. So the first thing I got was this cute little house, and they had 2 different sizes. This one was only $5. The other one was $3, and it has silver like white glitter on the roof, so it's kind of like it's snowing. And I just thought this would be cute next to, I have a bunch of, as you'll see in a moment, bottle bristle trees. And again, just anything that sometimes can add height when I'm decorating is nice. So I just like this. I like that it was all white, but it was still festive and super cute. And it's kind of like a step closer to getting those like fancy Christmas villages, which I grew up with. I loved those. I feel like maybe when I have a house, me and Bradley will start to collect those like, anybody remember Department 56? I don't even know if they're like not a thing anymore, but all the stores are gone. But it had all those like villages that you set up for fall and for Christmas time. And so it's kind of like that. So I thought that was cute. These 2 little guys I think are so cute, and they were only $3 each. So they're kind of just like fake little like sprigs of Christmas tree in little burlap sacks tied with twine. And I got 2 different colors. I got the, I mean, they're like opposites. I got the red and white stripe and then the white with red stripe. This one has some silver glitter on it. This one is just plain, but I just thought like, either they can go somewhere together or even separate. They look great, and they were only $3. And I loved the burlap of them, really. I thought these were like, I don't know, I just really, really liked these. So I picked these up, and they had some more patterns as well. I just picked up these 2. This thing I am so excited about. I just mentioned I love bottle bristle trees. This is a huge one. This is from the Threshold collection. It was $20, which is like kind of steep, but for like how tall and amazing it is. And I love the dark green, has a nice wooden base. And again, anything to bring height in certain areas when I'm decorating, that was really inappropriate, sorry. I just love. So I picked this up. Bradley was trying to talk me out of it, and I was like, it's not gonna work, babe, bye. And then my favorite thing was this advent calendar. Isn't it the coolest thing you've ever seen? I think this looks very Anthropologie, but it was only $35. At Anthropologie it would be over 100. And I just think it's so freaking cute. So the little houses have drawers, you open them up. I'm probably gonna make an advent calendar for Bradley or something. But even if you don't actually use it, it's just such a cute little Christmas item. Has the trees on top. I love the different colors. Because again, it's Christmas colors, but it's bringing in other colors into your decorating as well. And I'm just so obsessed with it. Like, this is definitely my favorite purchase of the year. So I should have said this. Whatever I can find, I will have linked down below. Maybe I did already say that. But this should be online, so I can try and link this down below. And if not, run to your nearest Target and get it because I think it is so cute. And the drawers are a pretty good size. You could maybe put like a little toy in there. Definitely some candy, some chocolate. So yeah, I'm obsessed with that. But okay guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it brought you some festive holiday inspiration. He needs some festive holiday inspiration. Like I said, what I can find will be linked down below. And also, like I said, I will be doing a holiday home decor tour so you can see how I use all of these things and put them in our space. So I hate when people say space. In our home. And thank you again to Rakuten for sponsoring this video. Do not forget, sign up down below. You'll get a $10 free bonus and it will really just save you money. But yeah guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. I will see you back here in a couple of days for another day of HolidAMY. If you've missed the first 2 days, I will have the playlist linked up in the corner. But yeah, that is it guys. I love you. Have a great day. I already said that. I'll talk to you later. Bye!